In the golden age of model kits, one name stood above the rest: Lindberg. Paul Lindberg started with hand-drawn plans for flying model planes, published in Popular Aviation magazine. These early stick and tissue kits were sold with everything needed to fly. After World War II, Lindberg partnered with a company called Olsen. Together they launched molded plastic airplane kits under the name Olin. They didn't stop there. Olin acquired tooling from Varney, a competitor leaving planes behind for trains. The result? A new generation of aircraft kits, now molded and vacuum-formed in plastic instead of wood. With Olsen out, the Lindberg name took over. By the 1950s, the brand was offering everything from vintage and modern aircraft to passenger jets and battleships. They even experimented with packaging. The short-lived Cellavision series let buyers peek at the parts through a cellophane window. Flying models lingered into the late 50s, crafted from vacuum-formed styrene, but the future was in static kits and Lindberg was ready. In the 1960s, Lindberg dove headfirst into America's car craze. 24th scale hot rods hit the shelves, many featuring electric motors, though assembling those motors was no easy feat for beginners. The lineup expanded fast: 1/32nd scale rods, 1/8th scale Ford Roadsters and Dragsters, even luxury classics like the Bugatti Royale and Mercedes SSK. Lindberg also dipped into slot car racing, but like many others, didn't stay long. Then came the Mini Lindy line, 1/64th scale cars and trucks that were tiny, snappy and pure fun. The 70s brought big changes. Lindberg acquired tooling from Palmer and later from Pyro, another major name in the model world. Some new kits emerged, including modern 1/32nd scale cars, but much of the decade focused on reissuing what they already owned. Still, their collection of molds and tooling grew into one of the largest in the hobby world. In the 90s, industry veteran George Toteff, formerly of AMT, NPC and Lionel, took the wheel. He pushed Lindberg back into the spotlight with all-new car kits. The 1964 Dodge Color Me Gone drag racer kicked things off, a tribute to Toteff's late friend Dick Branstner, soon followed by a Ford Crown Vic police cruiser and reissues like the ex-AMT 1934 Ford pickup. Tooling also came in from IMC and other brands, adding even more depth to Lindberg's growing legacy. In the 2000s, Lindberg produced new Dodge Chargers and introduced ambitious kits like a 1/200 scale Graf Zeppelin carrier. Though many large-scale kits were announced, few made it to full production. The brand passed to J. Lloyd International, who preserved what they could. In 2013, Lindberg found a new home with Round2, joining iconic names like Hawk. Since then, they've kept classic kits alive with careful reissues, preserving the magic for new generations of builders. From stick and tissue flyers to legendary dragsters and space-age battleships, Lindberg was never just a model company, it was a time machine, letting generations of builders touch the past with their own hands. Which Lindberg kits have you built? Let us know in the comments.